Sumitra, good evening.
Good evening.
আজি শিলচৰ গ্ৰেটাৰৰ মানে ইনষ্টলেশন মিটিং আছিলে
Aji?
it got just now about 5 minutes back it got over 5-10 minutes back. So we had to end there and come, so all of ikane Shubhashita was speaking there just about 5 minutes till about 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Sunil, good evening.
Mute.
क्या बॉस म्यूट करके रखा है?
अरे क्या करेगा ना, म्यूट नहीं करेगा तो बोलेगा आवाज आ रहा है, साउंड।
तुम लोग का तो अच्छा लॉकडाउन दिया है।
हम लोग का लॉकडाउन
वो ऑड इवन भी नहीं है, कुछ अलग तरह का लॉकडाउन है।
कर्फ्यू लगता है, कर्फ्यू
नहीं, डेट्स जो दिया है
कर्फ्यू है, डेट्स भी।
या कोई सप्ताह में
गुड इवनिंग सुनील।
गुड इवनिंग जयंती मैम।
Good evening, Sunil.
गुड इवनिंग सुमित्रा मैम।
Who is this Redmi?
Redmi name.
So Vaisa, have you checked the page? It is there, no?
Danny? Which one, Danny, you were asking?
Facebook page, have you checked it?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay.
Good evening, Gigi.
Good evening, Sumitra.
गुड इवनिंग राजा दीजी।
Good evening, Jayanti. Good evening, Sunil.
Good evening.
Hey, Danny.
Yeah.
Redmi कौन है?
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये Redmi कौन है? इसका वीडियो भी नहीं है।
ना।
And he is not speaking also, na, when we are saying.
Yeah. Okay, I got an iPhone, I got a Galaxy A10. इतना दिन इतना मीटिंग हो गया फिर भी people are not getting their names signing in.
Redmi was, I think so.
Redmi का वीडियो आ रहा है, अभी देखते हैं।
अभी आ रहा तो।
Who is he?
Yes.
Prakash?
No.
This is Himadri Roy from Malda.
Yeah, Malda.
Okay.
Hello.
You thought so?
Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening.
কেমন আছো?
ভালো আছি দাদা।
नाम करे लॉगिन करबेन तो। Yes, Himadri Malda.
Yeah. No, I did it. I'm renaming them now.
Yeah. Good.
Who is this Galaxy A10? Like there is nothing coming.
निशित।
And I think this iPhone is. Can you identify?
Hi Naresh. Naresh, how are you?
Naresh ji. Naresh Agrawal, Gangtok.
Okay.
Sunil, can you see me?
Yes. Arey, your face has totally been changed, yeah, Naresh.
Exactly.
Indeed.
I was surprised.
Naresh, unmute.
Even I didn't recognize him.
Naresh, unmute करो.
Unmute कर नरेश। नरेश जी आप अनम्यूट कीजिए ना अपना।
हाँ, हो गया। अनम्यूट हो गया।
Yes.
आप तो एकदम बूढ़ा लगने लग गया, तो ऐसे कैसे होगा?
अरे लॉकडाउन ने बूढ़ा बना दिया। How are you all?
Fine. After a long time, yaar.
Yeah,
I'm fine, Naresh. तुम आजकल क्लाउड का क्या ईमेल लगा लिया और क्लाउड पे ही रखा है, मिलता नहीं है।
He is a busy man.
Very busy man, I know.
Very busy.
Rotary is now for him in a very lower number of preference.
He's
He is busy in playing cricket now.
क्रिकेट ये सौरभ गांगुली से
No,
मीटिंग
now,
करते रहता
now
है.
I'm not playing. Now I'm not playing cricket.
You are not playing?
No, the question.
सनी सेठ कौन हुआ भाई?
सनी सेठ है ग्रीन टी प्रेसिडेंट.
अच्छा. अपना एजी लोग नहीं आया लगता अभी तक.
अरे सुनील भाई,
हाँ नरेश जी
अरे
बोलिए.
क्या हाल चाल है?
एकदम बढ़िया.
मंडली भी है.
बढ़िया है. तो एजी लोग आएगा
अच्छा.
ना,
So भाई साहब,
एजी लोग आराम से आएगा, टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो?
अभी
कैसे
तक
हो?
तो 15-16 का एजी ज्यादा है इसमें.
हाँ, मेरे
15-16 का टीम ही ज्यादा हो गया
15
ना.
स्पोर्ट नहीं देख.
वही.
I am present.
So भाई साहब,
हेलो मनदीप, कैसे हो?
Everybody.
ये how are you going to do it? Like the presentation or the video that I send you today, or should I do it live?
No, we will do the live. We will take up the question from the AG and trainers
Okay.
and make them 100%
उनका फोटो भी आना चाहिए.
this recording pattern.
Okay.
ओ गोस्वामी सुमित्रा भी है.
इसीलिए तो बोला 14-15 का टीम भारी है.
15-16 का टीम.
16.
15-16 का टेन्योर है.
15-16 का 3 एजी तो यहाँ पे छाए है.
Only 3. सुमित्रा is there.
हाँ तो तीन ही हुआ.
यही तो हुआ है.
राजा तो
तीन ही है क्या?
डीएस था
ज्यादा
ना.
होंगे. रितेश is not there.
हम 15-16 में एजी कहाँ था?
एजी नहीं था, डीएस था. डीएस.
ओ अच्छा नरेश, तुम शायद संदीप भालोडिया संदीप को पूछ रहा हूँ ज्वाइन करने के लिए. संदीप भालोडिया को ज्वाइन करने के लिए बोला.
रितेश कहाँ है? रितेश
अभी बिजी है, कहाँ है पता नहीं.
तो डैनी बता पाएगा.
यस डैनी भाई.
रितेश अभी डीजी बन के ही आएगा. रितेश अभी डीजी बन के ही आएगा.
डीसी के आएगा सीधे.
बोल के आ रहा है. गुड इवनिंग.
अरे गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग.
मोहन दा, गुड इवनिंग.
हाँ गुड इवनिंग.
सानुदा अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening.
सानुदा अनम्यूट कीजिए. हाँ यस. गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग.
भारनावास एक और आ गया भाई. भारनावास has come.
बरनावास आ गया.
हाँ नरेश, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन, थैंक यू.
ज्वाइन. गुड
जी
इवनिंग.
आ गया. मोहन दा गुड इवनिंग.
नो कन्वर्टर आ
गुड
गया.
इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग. हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
थैंक यू.
Fine.
फाइन.
Sunny said his video is not clear.
Who's?
Sunny said the video is not clear.
Line is no good.
वीडियो का भी पीपी किट लगा दिया.
वही लग रहा है.
हेलो डीजी साहब.
Yes, गुड इवनिंग.
हेलो.
आईबी गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग. वो कैसे देखते हैं? मतलब किसी का फोटो देखना तो इसमें
ट्रेनर तो कॉल पे है आपको यहाँ पे.
नहीं मैंने देखा किया तो
नहीं
मोड में जाना.
गैलरी व्यू करके देख सकते हो. राइट साइड टॉप में देखो.
अभिषेक इतना नाराज क्यों है?
সানি এখানে বসে আছে কিন্তু সানি ভিডিওতে কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
अभिषेक
मेरा जो है वो है पार्टिसिपेंट शेयर.
बहुत
नहीं
अच्छा
है।
लग रहा है.
তুমি আছে
पार्टिसिपेंट में क्लिक करो. आईबी
अभिषेक तो पूरा हमें
अभिषेक सीरियस है,
उसमें
सीरियस.
तो खाली नाम
एकदम
आ
अच्छा
रहा
लग
है.
रहा है. अगर उसके सामने कोई जाएगा तो उसको तो मार देगा ये तो लगता है एकदम.
उसमें तो खाली नाम है.
ये
आप क्या देखना चाहते हो?
छवि दिखना चाहते हैं तो अभी मीमी
राइट हैंड साइड टॉप कॉर्नर में देखो एक स्क्वायर है 9 बुद्धि वाला. क्लिक करो
है.
राइट टॉप में.
राइट साइड टॉप में मोर लिखा हुआ है।
मोर के ऊपर देखो 9 बिंदु वाला एक टॉप है, गैलरी व्यू।
हाँ हाँ है।
आ गया
आ गया सब देखो।
अभिषेक पूरा गजनी वाला लुक लगा दिया आमिर खान का।
कुछ दिन में एक्चुअल में वही होने वाला है। हम लोग का राजा बाबू वही हाल कर दिया है अभी।
क्या विजय क्या बोल रहा है?
गजनी वाला लुक लगा दिया अभिषेक।
राजा बाबू वही हाल कर दिया। अभी हम शरीर में टैटू बनाएगा कि हम एबी है, ये क्लब हमारे अंडर है, ये क्लब का इंस्टॉलेशन इतना तारीख को हुआ है।
हाँ, डीजी आजकल सुनता ही नहीं है, सीधा गाली देना स्टार्ट कर देता है।
अभी हम टैटू बनवाना चालू कर रहे हैं। अभी कौन सा क्लब है हमारे अंडर?
रोटेक में भी इतना गाली नहीं खाया अभी जितना खाया है।
इतना जिम्मेदारी कहाँ था तो? रोड ट्रैक में तो हम लोग को जो इच्छा वो करता था, कोई है ऐसा?
मोहन आपने किन का गाली साली नहीं बोले? आपने किन का गाली साली नहीं बोलो?
प्रेसिडेंट को कितना ज्वाइन के लिए कैसे मालूम चलेगा?
अब तो जूम
यहाँ पे हो रहा है
3 है।
अब रोते रहे ना
4 है।
वो जूम ऐप किस तरह डाउनलोड है?
राजा, प्रेसिडेंट लोग कितना ज्वाइन किया कैसे मालूम चलेगा अपने को?
हम लोग बाद में पूछ लेंगे ना, कोई नहीं है हम क्लियर करते हैं।
तो उन लोग बाई चांस रिपोर्टिंग बाई चांस कोई भी क्लब से कोई रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं है तो उन लोग का रिपोर्टिंग फिर कैसे करा जाएगा? एजी तो हम लोग को 12 to AG देखना पड़ेगा।
और सुनील, like I have prepared a video with a live demo.
Okay.
So
17 members, okay.
That is a step-by-step live demo of the website, how to do it and everything, reporting.
No, that is okay. But those who are missing the event today,
for those people only. So we will send the video to everyone.
अच्छा, okay, done.
देखा तो सुनील भैया क्या बोला डीजी?
There is a PPT also.
वो एजी लोग देख लेगा कौन रिपोर्टिंग किया कौन नहीं किया।
हाँ, ठीक है।
I will explain the entity.
देख लिया ना?
पार्थोदा भी आ गया।
হ্যাঁ রাজাদা, ফেসবুক লাইভ কোথা থেকে হচ্ছে পাচ্ছে না কেউ?
লিংক দেওয়া আছে, দেখো ওই লিংকে আছে।
ওই লিংকে
RID 3240।
टीवी चल रहा है बस, कोई का टीवी चल रहा है बहुत।
हाँ, लाइव हो रहा है, मैं सुनील को देख रहा हूँ।
नरेश भैया का टीवी चल रहा है। नरेश भैया का चल रहा है टीवी।
अरे मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ।
यहाँ पर सब पकड़ में आ जाता है नरेश जी।
अरे तो बढ़िया ना, लेटेस्ट न्यूज भी पता लग जाएगा क्या हो रहा है इंडिया में।
वो पक गया।
नाउ इट्स ओके।
या फाइन।
पार्थोदा
হ্যালো বলো অভিষেক বলো
কেমন আছো?
এই তো ভালো, বলো।
तो हम लोग का ना एक तो अलग ग्रुप बनाना पड़ेगा जिसमें डीजी को हम लोग नहीं रखेगा। हाँ
क्यों?
ना डीजी अब डीजी गजनी एक्चुअल में बना के छोड़ेगा हम लोग।
नहीं
हमको रखेगा क्या उसमें?
सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
उसमें डीजी डीएचजी ये लोग को नहीं रखेगा, खाली 12 to हम लोग रहेगा। मिट्टू दा एग्री हो गया, वर्तमान वाला
भाई। अरे वो भी
नहीं, क्यों अलग कर रहा है?
डॉन आ गया देखो,
अलग क्यों कर रहा है?
अब डीजी दिखदारी देने लग गया बहुत।
उनसे कामों के देखो।
हाँ 100% जोड़ीद दा।
अभिषेक मेरे पास कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाता है रात को 11 बजे, किसके साथ किसका बात हो रहा है
वो तो हमको पता है।
कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाता है।
आपके पास किसका कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग आता नहीं आता हम लोग सबको पता है।
100% जोड़ीद दा।
अभिषेक मेरे पास कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाता है रात को 11 बजे किसके साथ किसका बात हो रहा है।
फेसबुक लाइव किसका साथ साथ में चल रहा है, किसी का फेसबुक लाइव भी साथ साथ चल रहा है।
शायद वही।
आपके पास किसका कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग आता नहीं आता हमें सबको पता है।
कितना तो बाकी रह गया अभी तो, एक दो नंबर अशिमदा भी नहीं आया है।
अरे विजय भी डाउन हो गया यार पूरा ही।
विजय तो पहले से ही था उसको।
हाँ और ज्यादा डाउन हो गया लग रहा है मेरे को तो। हाय विजय।
अरे नहीं
हाय हाय
पूरा डाउन हो गया यार।
विजय तो हमेशा साइड से मिलता रहता है।
अरे गंगा आपसे 1 साल पहले घंटा में मिला था इसी टाइम में।
हम विजय और गोयल अंकल अभी हम लोग एक टीम बना रहा है।
बढ़िया है ना। घंटों का आनेगा
नहीं
हम तो मजबूर है
में सारे डाउन हो जाएंगे।
मजबूरी है
भाई
मेरा का तो लंबा
मजबूरी है।
हाँ
मेरा तीन
एक बार
चूल में फाउंडेशन दिख रहा है इनको।
पार्थो दा भी मोटा मोटी लाइन में है, देख ले।
हाँ पार्थो दा
सारे लाइन पे हैं।
रायगंज वाला पार्थो दा का क्या करेगा?
रायगंज वाला पार्थो दा का सबका फिलअप करेगा।
वहाँ तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा।
वहाँ गड़बड़ा जाएगा।
वो हेयर डोनेशन करेगा, हेयर डोनेशन बिग बनाएगा उनका बाल का हम लोग।
सौरभ वीडियो क्यों नहीं ऑन कर रहा है? दुकानदारी कर रहा है क्या वो?
सौरभ तो आता है जाता है हो रहा है उसका।
वही तो बोल रहा है।
अमित कहाँ गया आज में?
अमित नहीं है, संदीप भी आ गया। संदीप भी आ गया।
कौन बाकी है?
अमित।
असीम दा बाकी है जोन 2 का।
अमित बाकी है जोन 8 का।
अमित मोर बाकी है।
लेट कर देंगे स्टार्ट नहीं की।
और 10 नंबर वाला बाकी है भाई, वो डॉक्टर साहब।
डॉक्टर ज्वाइन नहीं किया।
डॉक्टर ज्वाइन नहीं किया।
So I think it's better if you call them. Saurabh का कुछ issue हो रहा है क्या? Yeah.
I'm calling.
Yeah. Anik Gupta has joined.
अनित गुप्ता।
मिठू का क्या पोज हुआ? मिठू का क्या पोज है? वाह तो कॉलर ऊपर उठाते हो।
डेनी थैंक यू हमारा जोन को संभालने के लिए।
मिठू आज लेकिन पिनागा ही मेरे काइंड ऑफ मैस ऑफ इट।
अरे यार उसको कौन समझाया? वो समझने के लिए कुछ तैयार ही नहीं होता है ना।
तैयार ही नहीं है। ही इज नॉट रेडी। आई टोल्ड हिम दैट दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट। आप ऐसे कीजिए, लेट्स हैव अ ट्रायल लाइक सिल्चर पिंक। वी डिड इट सो नाइसली बिकॉज़ वी डिड अ ट्रायल एंड एवरीथिंग।
उसका तो यही प्रॉब्लम है।
या आई विल डू इट। हो जाएगा। टुडे एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, ही वाज नॉट जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम हिज ओन।
अंकित इज देयर सर।
दैट इज व्हाई
अंकित इज देयर।
चंदू भाई भी आ गया।
अंकित इज हियर।
अंकित इज देयर। नाउ असीम दा को कोई कॉल करो ना। असीम दा को।
सौरभ आ गया। सौरभ का वीडियो भी आ गया।
3 जन बाकी है। 3 जन। अमित मोर, इलंगबंग और असीम दा।
गाने में कैसे लगा?
असीम दा।
नहीं मैं वॉशरूम जाऊंगा। वॉशरूम में देख लेगा लोग। पट्टी पे ऊपर बैठा हुआ।
कोई वाशिंग स्कूल कर रहा है क्या?
ये एसीটা একটা পয়েন্ট কমিয়ে দেবে? শুনছো? এসিটা একটা পয়েন্ট কমিয়ে দাও না।
ডেনিদা
না লাগছে বেশ।
একদম প্লিজ ওয়েট টু দ্য ডিজি।
মাথাটা কেন ধরে আছে?
हां
हेलो।
हां बोलो।
ডেনিদা
কত ছিল?
प्लीज वेट टू द डीजी आया कि नहीं आया इधर?
असीम का ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, वो निकल जाएगा बाद में।
चीफ वेट टू द डीजी तो उसको ही पूछना पड़ेगा बॉस। आई हैव नो आईडिया।
तो आप बताइए।
तो मोटा हो गया।
क्योंकि अगर अपने अब लेट करके फायदा नहीं है ना. We should start. I think so.
ये
I think so.
बागेरिया टेली मिला रहा है
Already कितना हो
जूम में
गया?
उनका जोनल ट्रेनर है क्या?
সানি এখানেও বসেছে সানি, কিন্তু সানিকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না অন করে। ওইটাতে দেখো তো হয় কিনা।
पीडीजी चंदू
सुनील एक बार कॉल करेगा क्या अमित और इसको? सुनील
তোমাকে লিংকটা দেব।
Amit Moore is joining.
Okay, and Ilambam,
I'm just speaking. Ashim is already joining. I think so. He has already joined.
I can't see him. No, Ashim is not here. Barnabas is looking good. Kहाँ है? अरे, you are looking so nice with beautiful. Yeah. वीडियो क्यों ऑफ कर दिया?
सब्जी बना रहा है, सब्जी
बना है।
Barnabas is looking good, handsome here.
Yeah. Amit has joined.
सब्जी आप लोग बात करते रहो, हम सब्जी बना रहे हैं।
क्या बना रहे हैं? Anything special?
नहीं, गाजर केरला।
हाँ, गाजर एंड केरला।
डेनिता ये लाइव हो गया है क्या? वो मेरा जोनल ग्रुप में मैसेज आ रहा है कि अनेबल टू सी।
नहीं लाइव है, हम देख रहे हैं इसमें। लाइव है ना?
यूट्यूब में तो नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं, यूट्यूब में नहीं आ रहा है, यूट्यूब में नहीं, फेसबुक में आ रहा है। रोटरी 3240
पेज में क्या?
हाँ,
अभिषेक भैया आ रहा है, एकदम आ रहा है।
42 people are already watching. 43. We already have 43 people there on the Facebook.
हाय मनदीप।
हाय, गुड इवनिंग। गुड इवनिंग वेल साहब, सब बढ़िया?
तबीयत कैसी? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ?
थैंक यू, ऑल इज फाइन।
गुड।
आप ठीक हैं?
हाँ, इधर तो
चलो, नाइस टू सी यू एंड हियर यू।
मनदीप पाजी सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल पाजी, क्या हाल है?
एकदम बढ़िया, चंगा
चाहिए, बढ़िया।
अमित मोर जॉइन।
इसमें
नमस्ते भैया।
इसमें एक्चुअल में शायद कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है। गुवाहाटी सिटी वाला प्रोग्राम भी लाइव आ रहा है 3240 में।
कैसे आ रहा है?
हाँ, वो प्रोग्राम भी लाइव है। हम अभी मोबाइल में खोल रहा है तो वो गुवाहाटी सिटी का प्रोग्राम लाइव दिखा रहा है इनको।
वो दूसरा लिंक पे है, 3240 में नहीं है। रोटरी 3240 में नहीं है,
मेरे को इसी में दिखा रहा है।
RID 3240 में है वो डेट।
ये दो अलग है। RID 3240 अलग है, रोटरी 3240 अलग है।
एक रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3240 एक पेज तो
वो नहीं, वो अलग है। रोटरी 3240 अलग है और रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3240 दो अलग पेज।
ओके, हाँ, मिल गया।
हाँ।
We should start, I think so now.
अभिषेक,
हाँ,
वो जो लिंक है हम एजी ग्रुप में भेज दिया, वो दूसरा लिंक है।
हाँ, देख रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
इन एजी ग्रुप आल्सो देखो ना।
हाँ, दे दे।
ग्लोब्स तो काट ही नहीं लोग कर रहे।
कौन बोला?
ग्लोब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ले छोड़े गारंटी 42 प्लस जीएसटी मतलब 50।
क्या पिछला काटूंगा?
ग्लोब्स
120 का बोलो। 120
40 प्लस जीएसटी 130 8 बच्चों कति किस्म 200-300
I think we should start.
I think so. We should start. 8 हो गया. Half an hour. Extra.
Yeah. So those who are joining late, they can go through the tutorial and we'll be sharing the docs.
Yes.
Danny, are you ready? Should I start?
Yes, Subhashda, you can start. Just give me 3 to 4 minutes to just something backend going on.
You let me know. I will start. No issue.
No. You can start the process that about. You can start the meeting. We can speak about it. But
I will not take much of a time. So ready with your notes, huh?
Should I do the PPT first and then go for the live, or should I just directly go to the live?
First go through the PPT, then live.
Okay.
Right. And,
okay. Then you can start. No problem.
Yeah. And then whenever you would be providing the training, you keep everyone mute. I will follow up. Anybody has any question, we'll come back.
Okay. I have made you co-host. You can.
Sure.
Take care of it.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. Hi. Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Good evening. So it's been not a meeting, but just a training session that we thought of sharing with you. I'm sure everyone is doing well, safe, and healthy at their own respective places. This program we call it's a training sessions for the online reporting. As many of you know, and few are the pioneers sitting in this meeting, I know that from year 2015 and 16, 3240 went to monthly reporting into online format. And since then, every year, every governor is repeating that online thing, and we are also not an exception. But friends, incidentally, I was a little involved to this online reporting format since its inception in 15-16. And every year I have gone through extensively with this format. And I found feedbacks, few observations, few experience from people who actually use this reporting for the last 6 years. And we tried our best this year to make it convenient for all users and as per the world standard. Now, let me first tell that in this Zoom meeting, we have only assistant governors and the zonal trainers present here, and the rest, the key person of this reporting, the club presidents, club treasurers, club secretaries, and other Rotarians. They are all watching us in this session through our Facebook page. Facebook page. Reason being, as all of you agree to this fact that assistant governor is the driving force in the district, in the zone. So we thought of making the assistant governors more equipped with this reporting so that day in, day out, whenever any club faces any challenges, the assistant governors can be easily reached out and provide the resolutions. And of course, the zonal trainers are there because they are working in tandem with assistant governors in most of the zones. Also, we are publishing this module. We have 2 modules, one PPT with a screenshot of how the reporting would happen, and one video tutorial. We will be emailing these 2 documents to each and every club president, secretary, assistant governors, and zonal trainers for their ready reference. And also those documents would be available from tomorrow in district website, that is rid3240.org, and district app in mobile also. So anytime anyone feels any confusion can go and check that. We have given a video tutorial step by step, so there should not be any confusion. Let me give you a hint before we go to the training. Our district secretary for reward and recognition, most popular In some cases, he is more popular than a governor I can see in this year. Dr. Danny Datta, I lovely call him the Zoom man of the district. The Zoomer, the great Zoomer, Dr. Danny is the Reward and Recognition District Secretary for 2021. And he would be judging the entire year for the club's rewards, because you know, as of all of you know, that 2021 we do not have any award system. We are not going to give any award to any clubs. Instead of that, we would be giving rewards and recognition each clubs for their each sustainable and good projects. And Danny also managing this reporting, e-reporting part also. So Danny would be giving you that live presentation. First, he will go with the PPT, then he will show you the live presentation, how the project has to be submitted. Now, first time ever, we are starting project reports in two formats. Let me reveal the fact that the monthly reporting would not take, I can tell, more than 5 minutes for any clubs, because you do not have to do anything. Very less amount of information you need to put. Why? Because we have eased your job throughout the month, because we have two segments of the report. One is monthly reporting, another is project upload. Project upload would be available throughout the month. As and when any club completes a project, go ahead and upload the project. And the format we are maintaining as standard format, like a Rotary, showcase in rotary.org. So project would be uploaded as and when the projects are happening in every clubs. But in the first 10 days of the month, you need to submit the club needs to submit the report and just mention how many projects on community, how many projects on international, how many projects on vocational done in last month, and give the just project title. That's it, nothing else. District team will find out those projects from the gallery and evaluate. Also, all the projects that the clubs are uploading, all projects are available in district website for any Rotarians to view. There is a segment where the club projects will be coming up, and you can go ahead and search your club projects by name of your own club or other clubs. For example, if you write Rotary Club of Tinsukia, you can find the Tinsukia Club's projects coming in front of your screen. First time ever, we are making the projects visible for all Rotarians of the district. And my earnest request to the assistant governors, zonal trainers, and all the leaders whosoever seeing this video or this meeting, please spread this message to more and more Rotarians to see those projects in our district website, so that other clubs can get inspiration from other clubs' good projects, replicate these projects, and do more good in this world. I have specially requested District Governor-elect Dr. Mohan Shyam Kumar. Reason being, I had spoken to him and he has kind enough to agree to this fact. Whatsoever projects we are uploading in the website, next year those projects will be available in the website in the archives. So that if any club wants to see last year what we did, he can go, or the club can go and check the projects. So we would be having archives of our district of the projects, and I'm sure Mohan will take up with Kushanovo for next year to carry forward this thing, so that we have a repository of the projects in our district that the clubs are doing. Because nowadays, if you ask me what good projects a Rotary Club of Tejpur has done last year during Shantanu Gupta tenure, perhaps if the president would not have been here, very difficult to say that project's name, because we do not have any reference. Year goes, project also goes into the history. Here we try to keep the projects live for all Rotarians. So that's an endeavor that we are taking this year, and I'm sure we will be benefited, Rotarians will be benefited with this. I extend my hearty thanks to Governor-elect Dr. Mohan Shyam for taking his time, in spite of missing out his club's own meeting today, because his club has a meeting day on Thursday. But still he has come here to see this so that he can also have an idea. And Mohan, I'm very thankful that you have come here. Any feedback, any comments you have.
Thank you,
Do
DJ.
share the
Thank you.
comment of your sources. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
With this,
DJ.
yeah, Mohan, sure. You are telling anything?
So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, DJ.
Pleasure. Thank you. And friends, with these words, I do not want to linger this lecturing sessions. Let's get into the action. Danny, if you are ready, we can go to the action part.
Yeah.
Let's start the PPT, and then we'll do the live streaming of this project.
All right.
With these words, friends, do attentively see this training sessions. And if you have any questions, jot down your questions. After the PPT, we'll come back with the first set of questions, and later on after the live show, we'll come back with the second set of questions so that your questions, your queries can be addressed. With these words, thank you very much for taking your time in a weekday evening and assemble here on this virtual platform. Dr. Danny, it's all over.
Okay. Yeah, I think there are a lot of people who have come in this Trailblazer group in WhatsApp that they are saying not able to join the Facebook for some reason. Maybe if you can, I think it is better. Yeah, I think it is better if you can post the Zoom ID also there so they can join in here.
I will handle that, Danny.
Yeah. Thank you. So as the DG said, we fortunately we both have been kind of involved with this reporting since inception, right from Chandu Bhaiya's time, and I've been quite fortunate that almost every year I have worked closely with Subhasis Da on different levels for this reporting. So we have seen after a lot of feedback that one of the biggest problem that people had were firstly that they could not report projects well because photographs, they had a bit difficult time posting photographs. Secondly, the reports format used to be too long. And thirdly, there was a problem because you had to type in everything, and then for some reason you could not post it. And then when you come back, it's not there. So you have to go through right from the beginning again. So now this year we have corrected most of it. Of course, there will be some itches, and we will go on correcting it as we move along. So I'll start the PPT now. So main thing is this time it is not a single portal. There is a single portal, but it has two parts. One part will be the club monthly reporting, and one part will be the project upload. And remember, this project upload is live. That is, you can do it every day, 24/7 on the website. And as soon as you upload the projects, within the 24 hours, that project will be available on the website and also on the app. And then when you search by your club name, the projects will show. And in fact, we are also discussing the possibility of having at least 3 or 4 very good projects from the month taken up, and we would leave it there on the website for peer voting. That is, all the other clubs can then come in and say which project they like best, and we would then give them a certain recognition or reward as required. So let me take you through. First thing that you have to do is log on to the website, that is rid3240.org. The website remains the same. The website address remains the same. And once you go into the website, now the website, sometimes it is a bit slow. So there are a few pop-ups, so it takes a little bit of time. So be patient, give it the time. And when you see this page, you have to click on reporting CMR. And this is what you're going to see. The CMR portal will open. It will give you the option to log in. I will show everything live. So this is just to go through. And if you have any problem logging in, the contact is given here, or you can always call me. Now, when you go into this portal, you have the option of selecting either the submit the report or upload a project. Now, as DZ has mentioned, the upload project, yes, it will be open all the time. So Vajda, would you keep on admitting the people?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Okay.
You go ahead.
Yeah. So there's someone waiting. And then the other part will be submit report. Now the submit report will be open only from 1st of the day, 1st of the month till 10th of the month. And only in case of something really important happening in the month, we might extend it by a couple of days, not more than that. So when you click one of this, say you are clicking submit report, then we go and we see this page. Now this page will be having, you will have to select, it is a drop down menu where you will have to select the month, the reporter's email. Now remember, this is the email where the report, report of whether this club CMR has been uploaded will come. So if you give a wrong email address, or if you give an email address that you don't have access to, you will not be able to see whether your report has been actually submitted. You have to give the name of the club and the zone. The name of the club is also a drop-down menu. You can select it from there. And you can see up here, it says your draft has been saved. So at the bottom of the screen, you will find a button where you can click and say save draft. So what happens is, if at the end of it, you don't click the submit report button, the draft will be saved. So even if you come back after 10 days, it will be there. Whenever you open the page, the fields will show again. You don't have to retype all the things that you have typed before. So that is one thing we have already taken care of. The save draft button. So once you click it, whatever you are writing here will get saved. And another important thing is that you don't need to fill each and every field. So if you're not doing something for that month, leave it blank. We are not making it compulsory. So that is another thing that is taken care of. Now community services. Now this has changed. So what we have changed here is that, see, it is only two things. You don't have to go for an extensive reporting of what you did. You just need to do the number of projects uploaded. So the basic thing is that before you come to reporting, make sure that you have uploaded the projects first. So once you have uploaded projects, then you have a list of the projects that you have uploaded, and you need to give a project title when you upload. So just remember that project title, or keep it written down and just write it down so that we can cross check the projects that you have uploaded. So this is all you have to do for the community service reporting. You don't have to give a detail of the projects you did. You don't have to post any photos here, nothing. Just write the title of the project and we will check it out. And another thing is that most of the things in the previous page also, like, or even in the coming pages, like how many members you have added, how many terminated, and we have actually done away with how many club meetings you have had, how many BODs you have had, all those kind of stuff, how many guest speakers you have called. It isn't all done away with. You don't even need to report those things. So only thing you need to report is about your membership strength, if you have contributed anything, and most of the contribution and everything part, if you have started a new club, if you have done a district meeting, we will anyway be having that data. So we don't need most of this data. You don't need to keep on reporting it every month. Also, the RI dues, district dues, and this is very important. So please listen to it. The RI dues, the district dues, and the Rotary News dues. You will have 3 months, the first 3 months, to pay the RI dues. That's 90 days. And after that, you don't need to report it. But after that 120-day grace period, if the RI dues have not been paid, you are not going to be allowed to submit a report. You will be blocked out. So make it sure that your clubs do give the RI dues before time. On vocational services, the fields are there. Fill up whichever is applicable for that month and leave the other things empty, and just move on to the next. Now at the end, this is the last page, youth services, same thing. Now this is important. You see, there is at the end, there is send report to AG. Now this is compulsory. Until and unless you select this, you will not be able to send the report. So this is a drop down menu that will come, this menu that is showing on the side. As soon as you click here to select AG, the drop down menu will come. You just have to select your AG of the zone. That is, the presidents have to select the AG of that zone. And Yeah. And once it is done, and once you have clicked submit, it will come, your monthly report has been successfully submitted. Now you can stop here, or you can just log out if you have done everything, or you can go to upload project within the same login. Because once you have logged into the portal, you are in, so you can go and upload projects also. I would recommend that you do the upload project first and then go for CMR. Okay, project upload. Now, this time we are allowing 3 photographs at max, but we have increased the size. Now, each photograph can be up to a maximum limit of 2 MB. Now, remember, most of the photographs that you send in WhatsApp are somewhere around 200, 300 KB, not even MB. That's about 2000 MB, 2000 KB, and MB will be around 2000 KB. But the new phones, they take photographs of very high resolution, so those will be of very high, somewhere around nearing GBs, 1 GB. So you have to bring the resolution down. So you can use some free software for that. And the interface that we are using for project upload is very much similar to what is being used in Rotary Showcase. In fact, we are giving more fields than Rotary Showcase, and also rotaryindia.org. I would request all of you to visit rotaryindia.org and ask your presidents also to put up their club project reports there. So this is the project report section. I mean, it might be a little bit confusing here because too many fields. Basically, you need to upload a photograph for the, that will be the feature photograph, the first photograph, the cover one. Then you have to give a project title. The project title is important because this is the same thing that you have to give at the community service reporting part. Now we are trying to see if it will be possible to save the project titles by club name. Right now we are not able to do it, but maybe in a month or two we might be able to do it. Then you have to go for, you have to select your club name. That will be in a drop down menu. You don't even have to write it. It will be there on a drop down menu. The project overview is just a 1-line description of the project, just a simple description. And project description will be the detailed description. That is where you're doing it, how many, what is actually the project you're doing, what is the aim, and how you think it will help others. The project location, as you know, the place where you're doing it. Then there will be project timeline. That the timeline will be there. Here also it is a kind of, you can select it. You don't have to type in the date. You can select it. The project start date and end date. They can be same. Doesn't matter. And then category A, you have to select. In fact, it will be multiple selection will be allowed. So you can select if the project is a community service, a fundraiser. You can say community service fundraiser, or you can say polio fundraiser. So you can select multiple ones. And project category B will be again same. These are the 7 areas of focus that we have right now. I think we have 8 here. Yeah, this. So this is what you can select any one of this. This is coming. One extra we have added here, that is the international. And funding. Now you can, this is also multiple selection. Say the project you are doing is a project that you are doing under district fund. So you can say district grant with club fund. Or you can say Rotary District 3240 Foundation. Or if you're doing a matching grant or something like that, then it will be a Rotary grant project. And if there is other sources of fund like CSR, or maybe some non-Rotary donor has given something, then that will come under other funds. This one, there is one correction that we will do it, but right now this is just a simple thing. This number of volunteers will go up and the total volunteer hours will come down, because that will make it easier, I think. So what you have to do is write the number of volunteers that have been involved in the project. Say around 5 people has been involved in the project, you write 5. And in fact, you don't have to write it. You just need to click, because that also, like if you keep on clicking, it will show the figure 5. And the total volunteer hours will be, say 5 members is giving 2 to 3 hours on average. So you can just multiply that, 5 into 2, 10, or 5 into 3, 15. So you can give that figure. Cash contribution. What is the cash contribution from the club side, or if any member has given any cash contribution, you can write that here. Total donations. Now this total donation is anything other than cash. Say you are making a wash station, someone is giving you cement, someone is giving you tiles, someone is giving you basins. So you can specify that here. Right now there is only one field. So before the project starts, we will try and make it multiple field available. So you can write in every kind of donations that you receive. Or if not, then you can just put a comma and write it. Now the quantity, you can give the quantity of the donation, such donation received, and also the total value in INR. That is, say 10 bags of cement costing around 400 will be about 4,000, something like that. I'm not so good at what is the rate of cement, so maybe it's wrong. Anyway, so this is it. So then you have to go and upload. After uploading, you can again just log out, or you can upload another one. So for uploading, you can keep on uploading as many projects as you like. Now there are clubs who do multiple projects on a single day. Mithu, June 11 would be, yeah, very well versed with that. So we expect that, yes, you can report as many projects as you like. It doesn't matter, maybe 100, maybe 200, as many as you want. So this is the PPT that I'll be sharing with you. If you have any questions on that, we will take it now, and then we'll go for the live reporting.
Quickly, anyone has any questions, we'll take up. Otherwise, we'll go to the live streaming. Anybody has any question, just raise your hands.
No, who is this coming every time?
Okay, Danny, I don't see any hands coming up. So
Okay.
you can go to
Danita, one
Yeah,
question.
go. Yeah, yes.
Abhishek here.
Yeah.
Congratulations for the wonderful format for the reporting this thing. One thing I would like to ask that in the in-kind donation thing,
yeah,
when we upload a project, there it is given that when in case of multiple donation, for example, one person has given say maybe 10 bags of cement, the other person has given maybe a truck of sand. And then we have to mention the quantity also there. So how do we do that? Because we only have one column out there.
No. As I said, I'll make it multiple available, because this was yeah.
Let me Abhishek, I got your point. First thing, Danny has already mentioned that we are trying to give it a multi-field.
Okay.
Till the time a multi-field is not coming, you can use as a comma.
Okay.
And the total estimated cost in INR, that is an approximate.
Okay.
Because if I give something in kind, you might not be able to ask me what is the cost of this item.
True.
So you have to gauge an approximate cost as per the market and put it there. It may be plus minus of 1,500, 2,000, whatever. So that's an approximate.
Okay.
And if there are 5 donors, till the time you are not getting multi-field, you can accumulate it all 5 donation and put one.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So Danny, I do not see any hands raised. So
Okay,
let's
so
go to the.
I'll try and do a live one. So you can when I'm doing the live one, okay. Arundhati has a question. Yeah. Arundhati, unmute yourself first. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You have low bandwidth. Go ahead. Cancel your video.
I just wanted to ask, suppose the base to show that.
Arundhati, come again.
Hello.
Yeah. Could you repeat it?
Yeah, come again.
Yeah, I said if the donor is not a Rotarian, but some.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, got
someone
it.
from outside. How do I show it? How do I show that?
You do not have to. You do not have to show the donor's name. You have to show the item. Suppose a donor, X donor has given you 10 bags of cement.
Yes.
So you just mention cement and approximately 10 bags into 500, 5,000 is the approximate cost. That's it.
So no name of the philanthropist, because sometimes the philanthropist would like his name to be associated.
Yes, you can.
Yeah,
go ahead,
then you can mention that philanthropist's name in the description.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
That with the help of so and so, Mr. So and so, or the so and so company, we have done this project. So you can mention in the description box, not in this donor caption.
In the decision box. In the decision box.
Description.
Description box. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think somebody else was.
One thing, actually, presidents and secretaries are watching in the Facebook live.
Yeah.
So if they have any queries, ask them to communicate with the respective AGs or zonal trends.
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Through this channel, we can have those question and answers out over here.
Sure.
Yeah. While I am showing the live portal, I would request the DSG to have an eye on the Facebook page, collect the questions, so that once the live is over, then we can reply to those questions. Either the DSG Sunil or District Secretary Ankit, both of you can do it, or even the AGs of respective groups, you can do that. So if you just give us the questions once. And while I am showing you the live, if you have any question, you can just come in. That would be better, because if you keep on waiting, then yeah. And the thing is that
one question.
Yes, go on, Goelji.
Regarding this ID and password to the president secretaries, the AG will give.
We'll come back to that.
Yeah, we'll come.
We'll come back to that. That's an important question. We'll come back to last.
Yes. And the people watching in Facebook, remember this, that whatever you are saying is that there is a 10-second delay. So just type the question and send it to your AG. It will be better. So I'll start it now. Can you see the web page?
Jenny, yes, Jenny, just started.
Yeah. Okay.
So that since the number's not known, so that's why I accepted your call.
Arundhati, please mute yourself.
Can you call me tomorrow morning?
Arundhati, mute yourself. Arundhati, mute yourself.
Sorry.
Yeah,
sorry.
No problem.
Okay, so this is our website, the RID 3240. Now, as soon as you click RID3240.org, you have to wait for this pop-up to come up. Now, because this pop-up comes up, it takes a little bit of time sometimes to come. Now, even though I am on a GeoFiber network, you might see that there might be a little bit of delay because of this pop-ups and everything. So be patient, because last year what I've seen is that quite a few clubs, they were like, my report is not going, and we would later on find out that it is a basic local area problem. So sometimes what happens in the local area cable or your ISP has some problem due to which it doesn't get uploaded. But this time, you have the advantage that even if it doesn't go day 1, you can come back and do it day 2 or day 3, because the report will be saved. You don't have to worry about typing it all over again. So
Can you just give me 10 seconds?
Yes.
Friends, regarding this pop-up, let me tell you one technical part. Because see, we are all human beings. As soon as we put the website ID, and we expect the entire website will start working immediately, which actually does not happen, because websites are made on a WordSpec format. So it takes some time to get accumulated and come up. This pop-up will help us till the time this pop-up comes in. You cannot do anything. And when this pop-up comes in the background, the website is all set for your browsing. So that is one advantage you are getting. You have to wait till the time the website is absolutely ready for your browsing. Yeah, Danny, go ahead.
Okay. So close the pop-up and then reporting CMR. Click on that. So this will take a little bit of time.
Danny, the one question is there. I was just following the Facebook page. There is a question that what has to be the reporter's email ID. In Facebook, there is a comment.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that right now. Yes. Keep on giving me those questions so that I can answer it as I go along. It will be better.
I will copy paste in chat.
Yes,
I will copy paste in chat.
Yes. You can keep on asking me. That will be better. Okay, so we will be giving you the username and the ID. Right now, I'm using a kind of generic username and ID, so don't copy this. So we're going to give you a username and ID. So you have to give your username here.
Yeah. Okay.
And your password, you have to type in. Now, if
that's why
Walter, can you make?
Wait a minute.
okay. So we will be giving you the user.
Go ahead, Danny. Go ahead.
Yeah. So remember me. If you click on remember me, then you don't have to keep on typing this every time you go in. So the next time you click on CMR, this will come by itself. So you just have to put login. And if you forget your password, click on lost your password. So that will give you an option to how to get a new password. Now, since I told you that it is better to go for the project upload first, let me show you the project upload first. Is it okay, DG, if I show the project upload first?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, okay, upload project. So this is it. Now, first thing you have to do is you have to upload a project cover image. And this is the image that will be the first image that shows of your project. So make it an action photograph. So just for the sake of showing it, I will just upload a random image. Just anything, I'll upload. I'll show you one thing. See, most of these images, these downloaded images are only about 100, 200, 300 KB. And what we are allowing is 2 MB per image, and you are allowed to give 3 images. So I don't even know what this is. Let me put this on. Yeah. So, sorry, I can't. Yeah. So let's say this is my image. I upload it. By the time it gets uploaded, I can do the rest. I have to give a project title. Let's say the project is, because that slide is of DG installation. So let's say DG installation. Now the club name, there's a drop down menu. You just have to click, select your club name from here. I'm selecting my club, Tejpur. Now here you have to give a project overview. Now this is because I had already typed all this. This is coming. So just let me select anything just for the demo purpose. And project description. Now I can write as much as I want here. You can even write an essay here, it doesn't matter. So, but basic thing what you have to write is about the project, amount of people that you might be benefiting, and like the details of the project. So I'm just putting in anything. I'm putting in gibberish now. So project location. This is because we have tried it out. It is coming that, but you can just write wherever you have done it. Let's say my own place, Tejpur. Then I have to select a date. Now the date also you can just select it from here. You can change the day and time. Everything you can change from here and select it. Say we did it on 22nd of July and we finished it on 23rd of July. Now the project category, I can select say community polio. So it's a polio fundraiser. So I can say polio community fundraiser. Now remember to tag, put these tags after thinking about it, because according to these tags, we will try to categorize the projects. And in project category B, as I have already explained, will be mostly the areas of focus. So you can, if say this project is coming for, since it is polio, disease prevention and treatment. And if you're doing anything, you can select 3, 4, whichever you want. You can select anyone. So funding. Now we come to the fund part. The fund is, if you are doing it only from club fund, it will be club fund. If you are doing from any one of this, if you are taking it, if it is district grant project, district grant. If it is you are using any Rotary grant, it is a Rotary grant. If you are using any district 3240 grant, then select that, or a CSR. It is multiple selection is allowed. So you can select whatever you are doing. Other funds. Now, this is what Arundhati was asking. So if you have a donor, a non-Rotarian donor, then you can specify it here also. You can just give a specification. Say, you can say a non-Rotarian donor. I've already written there. Okay. Now the engagement tracker. So here you have to, as I said, we will be changing this. First is the number of volunteers. You can just keep on increasing from here. Say 5. The number of hours. Say on average each volunteer, someone may be doing it for 5 hours, someone may be 1 hour. So you're saying that average is 3 hours. So 5 into 3, 15. Cash contribution, whatever the cash contribution is. And remember, these are all numeric. So you cannot write in, you just have to put on numeric values. So say the contribution is 5,000. I'm just putting 5,000. Now donation in kind, as Abhishek was asking. So right now we have kept a large space because we are not able to give multiple fields for this month maybe. So you have to just keep write it and give a comma. Say cement, tiles, and etc. Just go on, whatever. And you can specify quantity here, anything. And you can specify the total value, just a kind of, the value that you think it is. It might not be the exact value. And you have to select another, you can select another 2 more pictures if you want. Now the same thing, you can either save it because maybe you might want to add something to it later on, or maybe for some reason you're not able to upload it. You can save, so always save the project first. Now, if for some reason you're not able to upload, maybe some problem with the net or anything, then if you come back after 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, it doesn't matter. It will be there. You can just again upload it only. So you don't need to go through the whole uploading of pictures and writing and all those stuff. Yeah. So that is one thing. So let me see, let's upload the project. Now remember, whatever project you upload, it will go on the app also. So you'll be able to see this on your these projects on the app also by just selecting your club name, and we are trying to tag it with the project description category also. So select a category wisely. So you can then go for upload another project, or you can go back to the main menu, main website, or you can log out. But if you don't want to go, if you want to now go and do the CMR, you can go to reporting portal. Yeah. So now submitting a report. Now remember, you're already logged in. So you can upload as many projects as you like. That will be open for 30 days, 31 days. It will be open 24/7. The reporting will be open only from the 1st of the month till 10th of the month. Now the reporting, this is the new look. First thing, it has a tracker. So as you move along, it will give you an idea how much of the report you have completed. And here also, the month is a drop down. So you just have to select, because last time what happened, we had calls from quite a few clubs who said, it's March and it is still showing February. So no chance of that happening now, because you can just select it from here. Now this is the question, reporter's email. Now this is the email that, this should be either your email or your club president's email. That is, if you're the secretary, it is better if you give your own email, because whenever you send the report, the copy of the report will come back to this email, the email that you give here. So you can then check whether what you have sent is correct, or what you have sent somewhere you have made a mistake. So if you give an email ID that you don't have access to, you will not be able to do this. So always give an email ID that you have access to. Best, use your personal email ID. So, okay, this name of the club is a drop-down menu. I don't know why it's not happening right now, but it will be a drop-down menu. I tried it in the afternoon. It is a drop-down menu. Maybe some problem with me. Okay, you select the zone also. Now, only this part is compulsory. Only this part is compulsory. The rest, you can leave it empty also. It doesn't matter. And if you go along, it is simple. Only a few things have been asked. We have really simplified it. We are not asking you to give all those data about how many club meetings, how many board meetings, how many speakers you have called, how many, all this stuff we don't need. And we are not even asking you to do any, bulletins or anything as such, because bulletins you can upload it in the site. And now you can save the draft. If you save the draft from every page, see, it will be saved. See, your draft has been saved. Now, every time I come back, if I just log in, this data will be here. So I don't need to fill up all this. If you want, you can fill it up whenever you have something to fill up. So next page is the community service. Now, this is the simplified page. You don't have to give a full description of whatever projects you did. Just give the number of projects that you have uploaded. You have uploaded 100, write 100. But the problem is if you upload 100 projects, you have to put it here. So my advice is, as you upload a project, open a Word page, write down the name of the project there, put a number and write down the name of the project as you keep on uploading. So say you have uploaded 50, 60 or even 100 pages, just copy it and paste it here. Otherwise, typing 100 pages would be very difficult for you. Next is vocational services. So if you just, you can put anything. You can just keep on saving the draft, because that will help you. And see, this tracker is showing how much is finished. Now, international services, this is asking you for whatever your contributions are and stuff like that. Save the draft. Youth services. So it is very simplified. You don't have a big long page where you have to type in a lot of data. It's very simple. Few things. It will not take you more than 10 to 15 minutes. And at the end, you have to select your AG from here. Now my AG is Amit Moore, so I'll select his name. And in case you have any trouble, your AG's name, phone number, contact number, and email ID is given here in the list. So, and most of the data, as I said, will be collected by the AG, and we will also be able to collect most of the data from what you are uploading on Rotary.org. So we're not asking you for most of it. So remember, you must keep your data updated in Rotary.org. That is in My Rotary, your membership data, your foundation data and everything, so that we can collect it from there. Otherwise, since it is not there in the report, since it is not there in the Rotary.org, we will not even know it. It will get ignored. So once you select the AG, if you don't select the AG, the report will not go. So once you select the AG, and it is important to select the AG because as soon as you give send report, one mail will come to the centralized email ID that we have prepared for receiving the reports. One will go to the ID that you have given at the beginning, and one will come to the AG. So the AG would also be updated about the report that. So then you can save and then you can put submit report. As soon as the report is submitted, you will get this. Your club monthly report has been successfully submitted. So that's it, simple. And thing is that it is saved, so you don't need to worry about it also. So if you need to upload a project, you can again go and upload a project, or you can just go back to the main website. You can log out and go back to the main website. That's it. So if you have any question, you can ask me, and I can repeat it if you want.
Danny, Sumitra Goswami, the journal trainer for Zone 7, has a question.
Yeah.
But before that, I just add what you said. Friends, for data saved, it will remain saved in the portal under your login till the next reporting month starts. For example, on 1st of August, if you saved something, and you can submit the report on 10th of August. By any chance, if you did not submit, it is remain there till 31st August. 1st September, when we'll reopen this reporting portal, we'll erase all the previous data which was saved. Otherwise, that will be a problem, because when you re-log in after next year, you will find that those data are popping up in your each field. So we will wipe up all those data. Sumitra, your
Yeah.
question had one.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
go on.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I just wanted to know that what if club members individually give money for a project? Where do you put that? Which fund?
On that is a club fund. We are putting in club fund, or you can put it in other sources. You can even give it in. You can even give the
But
names.
you don't have to give the names of the members, right?
Yeah, you don't need to. You don't need to.
Okay. Thank you.
And I have a question here. If any club.
Yeah.
One sec. Sumitra, here just I want to add you. Whatever you asked, Danny replied that question. But still, if any specific cases, maybe you want to add the name of the member. Maybe. Then you can put that member's name in the others field. Because the other field, you have an option of writing the names, but not in the club field.
Okay. Thank you.
I have a question here from Vijay. Just I'll take this question from Vijay. He says, if any club has not done a project in some venue, can it be kept blank? Yes, it can be kept blank.
Yes.
But I think the project would have a venue, so you can write whatever venue it is, or you can even keep it blank, no problem.
No, I mean, suppose they have not covered say vocational service that month, or they have not covered some particular.
Yeah, you can keep it blank. You can keep it blank. As I said, nothing of the field is mandatory except the first four. That is the club name, your email ID, the month, and the zone. Only this four is compulsory. After that, you can leave the whole project report blank. It doesn't matter. And at the end, the AG, selection of the AG. Is it okay, Vijay?
Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Abhishek has a question, I think.
Yeah, there are a couple of questions in the Facebook page.
Yes.
First is there any option to upload project or CMR from the app, or else we have to log in through the website?
No, you have to do it from the website.
Yes.
Another question is, once project uploaded in Rotary Showcase, whether we will have to reload it again here under project update?
I think I have responded this question already, Abhishek. This was one of the club president from Zone 5. In Rotary.org, we do not have any access to sync the data. So if there is any project uploaded in Rotary Showcase, it has to be repeatedly submitted in separately here. It may be a 2 times work, but we cannot help it because Rotary.org can't be synced with our district website.
Okay.
Rotary will not allow us.
Okay. And Denida, one more thing, is there any option to update the, last few years we had the option of updating the RI dues, the payment of the RI dues, Rotary dues or district dues, I could not see any option there in the reporting. Is there, do we need to report it somewhere through this portal or anything?
Yeah, Subhajita, could you reply then?
Abhishek, come again, 1 second.
He's asking about the RI and the district dues.
Like last few years, there was an option when was the RI dues paid, when was the district dues paid.
Okay, I got it. The thing is that, see, I told you, we are not asking too many questions for the report because most of this data we will be getting from the AG. Okay, so I think you have already received the worksheet.
Yes.
Received it? Now it is your responsibility to collect that data and to give it to me.
Fine.
Okay, that is why you're losing your hair.
No, fine. Thank you. Thank you.
So we are not asking for like you. Previous time, what happened is you had to keep on writing it every month, even if you had given it, you had to keep on writing it almost every month repeatedly. It's not required, but you have to remember that after the 90-day period is over, if the dues have still not been paid, we will not be accepting your reports. It will be blocked.
Okay. Another question has come up from Rotarian Jaydeep Datta, Secretary Rotary Club Guwahati City. Can you please show the pickup point of the saved data to further continue when logged in next time? When we save the draft of any project or anything, where do we again get that back from?
As soon as you log in again and you open the page, it will be there. It will show itself.
It will be automatically shown.
Yeah, it will automatically show till the month is over, because at the end of the month we'll refresh it.
Okay.
Achha,
Yeah.
Abhishek, any more question?
That's enough.
Okay. We have one more question from Anit Gupta, the DMC. Anit has asked, is there any option if any non-Rotarian doctor provided free services on behalf of a club, that is contribution through service? Anit, let me answer these questions. In the volunteer hours, you can mention, volunteer does not mean always a Rotarian. Volunteer means a non-Rotarian as well. So you can mention his volunteer hours there, and in the description you can mention that non-Rotarian's name and his contributions, whatever. Can the option of multiple email IDs? Abhishek, sorry, we can't put the multiple email IDs here.
No. And I don't think you require multiple email IDs, because you require only one email ID that you have access to, and that email will come to you. And if you want to forward it to somebody else, that is up to you. You can forward it to anybody you want to.
Can I ask something?
Yes,
here?
yes.
Not ask, just the columns that are mandatory. As you said, the certain things are mandatory in the CMR form.
Yes, yes.
So won't it be easier if those you mark it with an asterisk or something? So it makes it easier for everybody to, know that this is, you have to fill that up.
Yeah, Sumitra, actually only, as I said, only this first 4 or 5 fields are mandatory. That is the club name. Club name you already have to select from the drop down menu.
Yes.
Okay. The month is already there is a drop down menu. And only thing you have to write is your email ID and zone. And these are marked with asterisks. So only this 4 thing is compulsory. Otherwise, you can leave the report empty also, it doesn't matter. You can move on.
In this demonstration, it was not probably clearly visible. It was
yes,
there.
that is why. Okay. Okay. Okay.
There was a question, I think, from Galaxy A70. He has stopped his video.
Yeah.
Stopped his video.
Galaxy A70.
So there is again a question in the Facebook page. Is the username or the email ID at the beginning should be the same as the reporter's email?
No, it can be different. Doesn't matter. Only thing is that whatever email ID you put there will receive the confirmation report.
Okay.
Is it clear? I mean, say the email ID. My email ID is danny.gmail.com, and I am logging in with that email ID. Now the email ID that I put there is, say I have another email ID that was using previously, like eChair1516. So I can put in there. So the report will come to that email ID, not to the ID I logged in with. So whatever email ID put in there, the report will come to that only.
The login ID and the password for the reporting will be provided by the district to each club?
No. It will be given to you. You have to give it individually to yourself.
In my concluding speech, I will come up with all this username and passwords.
Because see, the one thing you have to remember is last time what happened, by mistake, one of the AG sent the whole worksheet to all his presidents. So don't do that. You have to send it to particular clubs, each individually. Okay, there is a question here. It says, okay, Digi, go on.
I said ki apart from username and password, any technical questions you have regarding the reporting, please come up. In the concluding remarks, I will cover up the username and password part.
In case we forget to upload a project of that particular month, can we upload it the next month? Yes, you can upload it anytime you like, but the problem is that if the date is of, say, the project is of July and you are uploading it on in September, then it will not be counted for the rewards in that sense. Because it's not part. You can upload.
For the data sake that your data would be there, but that would not be considered as a reward for that. Rajiv, I have already answered these questions. Keeping 2 email address would be a little difficult and challenge for the technical part. So
it's not required also. It's not required.
Unfortunately, we are not able to do that. So one email address would be only possible.
How long is the window open? The window, you mean if the CMR window it is open every month from the 1st of the month till 10th of the month. That is 10 days. And I think 10 days is a long time for you to fill in that report. I mean, it looks very bad when you call at, because this has been happening last 2-3 years. I have been involved with this reporting, so these calls come. That is why I'm saying. Calls come at 11 o'clock on 10th, 11 o'clock at night, 11:30 at night. I was not able to do the reporting. So could you just extend it for 2 more days? I mean, if you cannot do it for 10 days, I don't think you need another 2 days to do the reporting. So yeah, of course, if there is something like a lockdown that happened, then we need to extend. But otherwise, I think 10 days is sufficient to fill up this simple report.
And for CMR, the window will be open for project upload.
Yeah.
Window will be open 24/7.
24/7. So you can log in to that portal anytime you want. Only thing is that CMR, you will not be able to send it other than between 1 to 10. Kameshwar has a question. Yes, Kameshwar, you can ask.
Kameshwar, we cannot hear you. Please ask.
Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Is it all right?
Yeah, it's all right. Yes.
I am coming back to the first initial reporting part. The secretary's email ID has to be given. In the absence of the secretary, in case if any member want to submit the CMR, her or his email ID should be entered, or any member of the club's email ID can be entered.
Yeah, basically whatever email ID you entered there, the report sent confirmation mail will come to that email ID. Doesn't matter whose email ID that is.
Okay. Any member can submit the report.
Any member who has the login credentials with him. The login credentials, he has to have it. He doesn't have, I mean, say the login credentials will be sent to the president. Now the president can share it with his secretary, or he can do it himself. Or if he wants, he can say for some reason the secretary or the president both are not able to do it for that particular month, and he can give it, share it with any one of his member who can do it. But he has to do it with the login credentials given. And now if he wants to get the confirmation report in his email, then he will give that email that reporting part. Okay, or he can give the president's email also, then the confirmation report will go to the president. Basically, whatever email ID you put there, the confirmation report will come to that email ID. That is the only thing. Okay.
Thank you.
I have a question. I have a question like edit option in CMR. Well, you can save the draft. You can come back and edit it. But once you have uploaded it, there is no second guessing it. So if you have uploaded it, that's it. You cannot change it. So before uploading, please check it thoroughly, because you have the report saved. You can go through it once again, and then you can upload.
Danida, one question here. One part is uploading the project and one part is uploading the CMR.
Yes.
Now suppose if I have uploaded a project.
Okay.
Now after uploading, can I edit that project or not before uploading the CMR?
After uploading it, because it is difficult to change the fields. Once it is uploaded, you have already given. So you will have to upload the project again in a new way.
Okay.
Say you have uploaded your club installation. All right. Now you have given the date.
Maybe wrong. Okay.
So you have already uploaded it. Now that project is in our bucket for at least 24 hours.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter, because quickly, if you can just send another one and say that this is the correct one, you can just write it down. Then we will choose the correct one.
So uploaded project can be deleted also. Suppose if I uploaded duplicate.
No, because you don't need to delete it. We will delete it in that.
Okay.
Okay. We will delete it. We'll not put up the wrong one on the website.
Okay.
Any questions?
I'll be sending this PPT, and also whatever I showed you live, we have a video of that. I'll be sending both of this to the governor, and he can send it down to all the club presidents and secretaries. So you can even go through that. And even if after that you have any questions, you can always call me.
Thank you.
Okay. So Danny, as no other questions coming up, let me summarize with few critical points that we have already discussed. Friends, as we have already said that we will be sending the PPT and a video tutorial to all assistant governors, zonal trainers, district secretariat members, and each and every club presidents and club secretaries. So these people will get those two documents from district. Also, we will be uploading those two documents in district website in the document center. And in this regard, I must say that please try and ask your club members and zonal members to visit our website and especially the document center. Document center has the documents which we required every day in, day out in Rotary clubs. And very categorically, those are uploaded there. So these also available in that document center. Also, the video would be available in the District 3240 YouTube channel, and both are available through district app also. So reference and resources would be with you any point of time. It should not be a constraint. And moreover, Danny is available 24/7. I am available. If any queries, please shoot out. Let me summarize a few critical points just to refresh what Danny has said. First thing, if any club does not pay their RI dues for first 120 days, that means 4 months, July, August, September, and October. Remember, from 1st November, that club will not able to upload the project or submit CMR. Their access would be blocked in the portal. Same with the next semi-annual, January, March, April. From 1st May, it would be blocked. So this is one point. Second is list of projects. Now, this is very important, and as we grown up, we have to a little more careful. As the entire month, we have an option to upload the projects. Whosoever uploading, or maybe the club secretary, please ensure this to the each clubs that everyone needs to maintain a project list. 10, 12, 13, 40, whatever number of in a document, and that because those project lists needs to be mentioned in the CMR on a monthly basis. If any club misses out and then come back, say we have done this project but we have not been recognized, I'm sorry to say district reward committee cannot access, because for example, if Rotary Club of Siliguri has done a literacy project and did not mention in the CMR, reward committee would not be able to understand this project is done by Siliguri Club in such and such months. So this is very important. You need to understand that project list needs to be very, very categorically maintained by the club and put it in the CMR. CMR has a question, how many projects you uploaded? 10. Okay, fine. Then the 10 names should come there. And once you put the name, the district reward team will cross-check in the portal and find out the project. You do not have to mention the project separately. Now, the first, we always try to create a culture of first uploading the projects. Make a thumb rule that first upload the project, then CMR. Otherwise, what happens? You upload, you submit the CMR, and then you try to upload the project, and you face some issue with the name or date or something like that, and your project and CMR would not match in that case. So make a thumb rule and make a culture that first we will always ask club or the secretary or the president, please upload the project first, then you submit the CMR. Okay, now the photo. Photo has a 2 MB limit. This is something we are getting from day one, this challenge, that my report is not getting submitted. We are getting an error message. Now, suppose if you are trying to upload a photograph with a 7 MB file, obviously you would not be able to upload. It will keep on bounce backing to your place and you are not able to go to the next step. So ensure that every photo should be within 2 MB. We have given a considerable amount of size. 2 MB is enough size, but still there are good smartphones available which can even develop a photo with 6-7 MBs. So this has to be a little education is required to utilize the perfect MB to upload photographs. Now for project uploads, there is a title photo. Ensure that photo would be visible in a website. So always ask the club to upload the correct photo which actually represents your project, because that photo will be visible in the website, and not only district, the entire world has a look in our website and can see that a photograph. So if you are uploading a project of literacy, try to upload a photo which actually describes the project, a photo of literacy. Don't put up a photograph, 4 Rotarians standing with a banner in front of a school and this is a literacy project. So we need to have a more action photos. So that is a profile photo is very, very important, because one photo is must, and that photo has to be an image of that project. Okay, now I have already said, again, I am saying that regarding that contribution part, though it is mentioned now, type of contribution, but we are changing it to a kind of contribution. Kind of contribution, always remember it should be a approximate. Don't break your heads to find out the cost of the product, not required. You have to give an approximate rate, so the assumption can be done. Okay, this project can be somewhat of this much of amount. So that is an approximate. So don't break your heads to find out the exact cost or exact price. Okay, no edit. Okay, so no edit option is also available. Danny has already mentioned. Something like that, when you punch your card, you do not have any option of taking the card back and no, I will not send the money, right? When you do the online transaction, when you click the final button, the money is gone from your account. Here also, check 100 times before you submit your project finally, and then submit. Once you submit it, there is no option of edit. You cannot go back and edit the project. It is going into the console. Now, by any chance, if an incorrect project has been submitted with the incorrect information, then the club president or a secretary has to send a mail to the district to delete that project. Remember, that mail has to come from the president or secretary's official email address that we have in the database. Then only the team will, we have a team for that. The team will act on that and delete the project. Anybody can send that mail, we will not entertain, because the club officer has to inform us that this project is incorrect. So ensure that a proper mail should come, otherwise your incorrect project will be hovering in the website. Okay, and now the final, the password and username. Also let me connect once again that email address. A lot of people were asking that 2 email address can be given, but there is some technical challenge and it does not suit also. Let have only 1 email address. Otherwise the confusion will come up to you only, because at the end of the month you might be thinking, अरे कौन सा mail पे वो दिया था, उसमें तो फिर project का information गया. You would be handling 2-3 mails to find out where the project is. But if there is one email, you are certain that the project information or the copy has gone to that mail. So there will be only 1 mail, and as already clarified by Danny of Dr. Yambam's questions, email can be anybody's, and access login should be with an authenticated person. Email is only for a record. So if I am submitting a report, I can give my president's email address, no problem. That's not a problem. Now friends, for password and username, we are trying to make the username friendly so that you can easily keep it in mind, and password also keeping as per the formula, because password has a basic formula and basic criteria. We are trying to maintain that, and this username and password would go to all assistant governors tomorrow. All assistant governors tomorrow, and assistant separately, not in a bulk 1 mail. It should be a separate mail to each and every assistant governor, and expectation assistant governors will supply those passwords and usernames to each and every Rotary club. Please ensure you should not forward the same mail. Just cut paste the particular club's username and password and send to the president. Nobody else, because this is a reporting part, this is a reward recognition part for a club. So we would not take it easily unless until the club request. president has an authority, he can give a responsibility to anybody else. But from district, we'll hand over the password and username only to president. Only to president. Please remember, only to president, nobody else. Assistant governors, if you get a request that my president has asked me to get the password, please get an email. Get an email and say, don't get me wrong, but these are the a disciplined approach we should create. So password and email address and the username, assistant governor will supply to the clubs after they receive from district tomorrow, and each and every president will get separately. So with these words, I do not have anything else to say. I'm sure as we progress, we will have a lot of more feedbacks, and we will try to make it more finer, more user-friendly, and more effective. And it's a venture of all together. So your feedback, your positive feedback, the way you have given today, it would be required for us to make our product more comfortable, more user-friendly, and more effective. With these words, I am thankful to Dr. Danny Datta for his time, talent, and patience, for giving such a wonderful presentation, and also very, very patient hearing of each and every attendees of this meeting, asking the questions, and your questions, you are getting the answer, but I'm sure your questions might also help other 10 people to get the same answer. So thank you very much for having your patience and questions and the answers from Danny Datta and the district team. With all these words, I would request District Secretary General Sunil to kindly present a formal vote of thanks before we say good night to us, everyone. And friends, before Sunil presents the vote of thanks, I will tell you once more, tomorrow at 7, we are having Public Image Level 2 training seminar. Club presidents, secretaries, and the club public image chairs are expected to join us through Zoom call. And we have shared the details with you. And we are having a regional public image chair and a representative from Rotary International coming to us, sharing the tricks and the methods of public relation enhancing in pursuit of Rotary projects and actions. So with these words, I once again thank Danny Datta and request Sunil to kindly present the formal vote of thanks. Over to Sunil.
I think so. Chandu has some question, I think so.
Chandu has question?
Yes, yes. It's written in the message.
Oh, Chandu has asked for a password and password for DT, district trainer. Okay. Chandu, we will share the admin password with the district trainer so that anytime from any point of place, you can see any projects of the district. We will share admin password to district trainer.
Centralized mail, the centralized mail ID, the mail ID, that one we will be sharing it with the district officers. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. It's what a wonderful session Dr. Danny had made it, and the most easiest method, I think so. My sincere thanks to all the assistant governors, zonal trainers, district secretarial teams, the president and secretaries and other members of 3240 who are in the live in Facebook and YouTube. I would like to mention that please report on timing. If you report, then only there can be an award and recognition. Otherwise, it will be very difficult, because there are a lot of people saying that I did this, I did that, and finally I did not get anything. So these things should be stopped, and we can only see the reports only. We have the power to see the report. We can't go individually to each club and for viewing these things. So I think so. Timing of report is much easier for everybody, and that's the way the district will be functioning. Subhasis DC has made everything such a wonderfully easy method, and I think so at this pandemic time, this is one of the best method of getting reports and recognitions from the club. Thank you very much, and a special thank you to Dr. Danny Datta also. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunny. Thank you. Thank you, Danny. Thank you so much. Friends, with these words, we say goodbye to everyone, good night to everyone. But as we have a tradition, Danny, you can keep the house open for next 5-10 minutes for a fellowship.
Okay. Okay.
People can vent out their lightness and fellowship. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can all speak now. No problem.
Extremely sorry about that, Danny. Extremely sorry. I didn't
No,
realize
that's okay.
I was.
That's okay.
I was not
That's okay.
muted.
What happened? What happened, Arundhati?
I took a call in between. I didn't realize I was not muted.
That's fine. It's Rotary. It's not Indian Army.
I heard that headmistress wala's tone and I knew it was a
Yeah.
Arundhati,
Yes.
it's Rotary. It's not Indian Army. Huh?
I know. But I'm
Sukhminder is not here,
really
otherwise
embarrassed.
he would have fined. Sukhminder is not here, otherwise you have to find some
No,
dollars.
I didn't even
No, I was
I didn't even have to look who is speaking. Just a tone and I knew it was a
डेनी दा आप लाइव बंद कर दीजिए.
क्यों क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरे को?
बेकार सुभाषिस दा गाली देगा हम लोग को लाइव में. रिपोर्टिंग करो.
नहीं सुभाष दा लाइव में गाली नहीं देता है ना. लाइव में देखो कितना हंस के बोल रहा है. सब लोग को लगता है चला पूरा सबको एकदम.
No, but tremendous work. Huh? This is really nice.
Thank you. I just hope DG says the same thing in private. Because just even after the meeting started, I was getting scolded. So I hope that.
See, Danny, any hard rock is a smooth seat, right?
Yeah. No, that is why we have been.
I
we
think
have
Rotary
been a
Club
good
of Shillong. Will know how much the AG has to push me for the monthly CMR. I feel sorry for the AG of Zone 10.
Kameshwar, any views?
Commissioner will have to now stop pushing bones and push people.
She will do wonderful.
Yeah.
Is Chandu is there or Chandu has left?
Chandu is left, I think so.
Actually, the good thing is after starting this online reporting, we always hit about 95-96%.
Yes.
So before that, we were lucky if we could get about 60%. So
I still remember.
That's a change. Yeah.
I still remember, Danny, in 15-16, the monthly reporting, the bad monthly reporting percentage was 93.
Yes. That is a different study again. Because now AGs can get a general idea about how many clubs have reported. So the mail is going to come back to you. So say at the 8th of the month, you can see that I have got reports only from 3 clubs. So the others are not reported. So you can call them and you can ask them that you please do the reporting.
Yeah.
So
Danida.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I was just saying, that I feel sorry for the AG of Zone 10.
Yes.
Only, I know how much pushing he has to do for this president.
Now the AGs actually have to work more.
I really feel sorry for Dr. Elamam.
I feel sorry for him. He's very happy. He's an energetic young man.
Yes. Now he would have something extra to do, after coming back from clinic.
No. This president of RCS is, one of those last moment punches.
Now you should learn to get the scolding that you give every day.
That though I am. Only Dr. Elamam Singh knows.
Yeah, Amit, you were saying something.
Amit was saying something.
Danida, is it mandatory for all the clubs to upload the projects in Rotary Showcase and also in district the 3240 website?
It's not mandatory, but the problem is that if you're uploading on the district website, it will be there only on the district website and the app. So if you want to show it only for the district, fine. If you want to show it to the whole world, then yes, Rotary Showcase is important. And if you want to show it all over India, then rotaryindia.org. So now you have to do it 3 times.
Okay.
But the good thing is that rotaryindia.org is going to pick it up from Rotary Showcase. So they are.
Okay. Then it will be fine.
Yeah, they are exchanging data.
Okay.
I forgot to ask something. Sorry, I'm talking too much. If we have a joint project with a particular club of another district.
Yes.
And
are you asking about how to report the joint project? We have no audio.
And so I will be reporting it in my CMR reports and.
Yes. See, what you have to do is you have to give in the description, you have to write that it is a joint project. Say you are doing a joint project with a Rotaract club or an Interact club also, or maybe some other club of the district. Like you have already three or four clubs in Shillong. So you can be doing a joint project with the clubs of Shillong. So you can just write this is a joint project with this club, and both the clubs will report. Both the clubs will report to their respective governors. Yeah, even if it is inter-district.
Yes.
Thank you.